Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated. Older builds can block modern VPN protocols. Once done, open Settings and tap General, then VPN and Device Management. Make sure you have your VPN server, username, and password to hand. If your provider uses an app, download it now from the App Store. Otherwise, choose Add VPN Configuration and pick the protocol. This first move gets you into the concrete setup, not abstract prep, so you can enter credentials and proceed without interruption. Next, you fill in the connection details with precision. Typos in the server address or remote ID will fail authentication. If using ICAV2, enter server, remote ID, and your account credentials. If your provider instructed certificate use, import it first. Once fields are complete, toggle Use Certificate or enter a shared secret for L2TP when required. Make sure to test with Wi-Fi and mobile data. Different networks can expose misconfigured DNS or split tunneling. Finally, hit connect and watch for the VPN icon in the status bar to confirm an active tunnel. Once connected, check your public IP and open apps that need the VPN. This confirms routing and DNS. If connection fails, sign out and back into the VPN account, restart your iPhone, and retry. As a key troubleshooting tip, if problems persist, delete and re-add the configuration or reinstall the provider app, because corrupted settings are the most common silent failure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.